Welcome to PCTTZ, Pinnacle Cyber Tech and Training Zone. Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to present our Professional Digital Marketing course. We are introducing our Professional Digital Marketing course. This course is for both beginners and advanced learners who want practical knowledge in digital marketing and online business growth. PCTTZ is a trusted skill development institute regulated under the Nav Bhumi Kalyan Trust and registered under the Indian Trust Act 1882. We are also MSME, NITI Aayog, and ISO certified. Pinnacle Cyber Tech and Training Zone is a leading skill development institute. We focus on practical, career-oriented education, helping students develop real-world digital skills. Our mission is to empower students with digital skills, create job-ready professionals, and support entrepreneurship and freelancing opportunities. Our vision is to become a trusted training institute in India and deliver high-quality, industry-relevant education that helps students grow professionally and personally. Digital marketing is the promotion of products and services using online platforms like search engines, social media, websites, email, and ads. Today, every business needs it to grow. This is a 3-month practical training course, from beginner to advanced level. It's suitable for students, job seekers, business owners, housewives, and freelancers. You will learn social media marketing, SEO, Google Ads, content creation, email marketing, website basics, and freelancing and earning methods. After completing this course, you can work as a digital marketing executive, SEO expert, social media manager, ad specialist, freelancer, or business promoter. You will also get hands-on training with important industry tools such as Google Ads, Google Analytics, Canva, WordPress, and Facebook ads. Choose PCTTZ for 100% practical training, live projects, expert trainers, job assistance, affordable fees, and certification upon successful completion. Admissions are open now. Limited seats are available. Enroll today. For details, visit PCTTZ.com, email contact@PCTTZ.com, or call +9188 002 66416. Thank you for your time.